Alright guys, good morning. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the kit on the Harley Davidson Evolution Fat Boy on the carburetor. We're gonna replace the there's a kit with all the stuff. It's about time to fix the carburetor a little bit. So let's do the unboxing, see what's in here. And the bag, this little box here is it's big because it has probably the oil. I have ordered the oil for the primary. Okay, let me see here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, so we got the oil for the primary, but what I'm interested in is this. It looks like we have a little present. Okay, let's see what's in here. That's the kit. All right. It has that too. Okay. Okay, so this is the original carburetor on 1340 cubic inch original Evolution engine on my bike. So let me be very careful what's in here. I don't want to lose anything. And let me get something else. Let's see what's in here. That was like about 25 bucks. Okay, is this one, this one, this one. Yep, this I need. This. Oh yeah, it has that flange too. The gasket. The one I have on the bike, it's already gone. Still works. Okay, it has the Ziegler. Look at that. See, that's the floater needle. It has that. The spring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small ones, and I think that's important too. See that? So they're looking good. Looking good. This is what is it? Part number 960562. Okay, that's everything in, and looks what I need. I might have to get a couple more parts for the carburetor, but let's begin this now. All right. Let's go to the next step. Okay, I have removed the carburetor from the bike. It's not difficult. There's a couple of videos out there, but I'm going to show you how to put it back later on, so you see how it goes out and how to remove it and put it back. The throttle. Okay, I have removed the parts here, and let's see here, what do we have here? I don't want to mix this up. Okay, one thing to be careful is when the bottom section. That's where the floater is, here. All right. Let's see if there's anything loose here. Let's see, I have untied this screw. Let's put it temporary like that. Okay, let's see here what's going on. All right. You see that? There is another needle goes here. And there's another one over here. Okay, so when you remove it, make sure you remember how that goes. It goes one way anyway. Alright? And one thing to be careful is that pin, it might come left to right, a little bit out, and then it won't go in. So you have to be careful of that. And alright, so looks like the first thing we have is this rubber gasket here. And we have two of them. But, okay, this is the one is mine. Let's see how to remove this now. Let me try the other side. Oh boy, look at that. I think I have a little leak, and I think that probably is. Let me get the chair. I should have replaced that, a long time ago, but it's been on the bike for many years. My Evo is a 93 Fat Boy. Look at that. Oh boy. See it? Yeah. Almost there. Okay, let me release that grommet here. Got it. Okay, this been sitting here for I don't know, 15 years, 20. So looks like this is the one. This is the replacement one. Yep. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Okay, before I continue. and I'll come back. Okay, so I have removed that too. Okay, you see that we have a new one. I'm going to put the old parts over here so I don't mix them up. So we have that and we have this. Yeah, we have two pieces now, and we have more. Alright, let me see. Looks like we have also that rubber piece. Okay. Okay, it's nice. Alright. Looks like a large Phillips is the best. No, not yet. Alright, be careful. I think this one is spring loaded. I'll just hold it together. 1, 2. See that? I'm holding it together. And there's a little spring, and there's a new spring over here. There you go. We got this part. We have this spring. It's a little bit rusty, as you can see. And we have that. Okay, I'm gonna wash the whole thing with gasoline before I continue. And let's put this back. Let me see if that fits. This is a little bit different. Okay, this goes like that. Alright. Let me see here. Okay, you see that? There's a lip. Okay, so you can mix it. You have to put the lip here, like that. Alright, before I install them, let me see if there's anything else. And looks like that's it for this part. Alright, before I do the installation, I'm going to wash it with gasoline. And I come back. Okay, they're nice and dry. I blow some air inside, make sure all these little inserts and tubes, they're not blocked. I did not use an air compressor, just like that. I don't want to put pressure on anything like this here. Also, make sure you don't drop it because these are aluminum made. Alright, so time to put it back together. This part. Okay, so we have to make sure it has the lip. Goes here. It works like a grommet, like a rubber grommet. Good. Okay, the new spring goes here. And this one, there's another one. This is clean. I will try one more time this part here. Yep. It's clean. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go back. Let's put the spring. And that goes here. That goes here. Let me make sure. Alright, so now it's loaded. Let's do another visual inspection from the side. Hold it and put one. Two. Three. Okay, good. Now, tension this, not too much. This aluminum part. We'll put a little pressure here and go across a little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, good. A little bit more. A little bit more. And here. And now the final tension. Go half turn. Okay. A quarter of half turn for the final tension is good, just by hand. You don't do anything else. So okay, this part is good. Now we have this rubber piece here. I guess a little bit of speed. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna try the needle. Make sure we go in fine. Yep. See that? Okay, so we're all good. And what I'm gonna do is, because I don't want to pressure this part, this rubber grommet here, I'm just gonna use my speed. Sorry about that, but this is how it works. Okay. Make sure it goes in. See that? A little bit more. Okay, here we go. Okay, right there. Okay. All right, let's put this on the side. And I gotta figure out what's all this now. This I know. All right, so I'll have to find a needle to remove this part. And I'll be back. Okay, let's remove the pin. I'll just use a pen. And the pin is out. The floater is out, and there is that needle. You see that? Okay, hold on now. Hold on now. All right, so this is the new one. And looks like it goes one way. All right, so here's, oh, there's an opening here. There you go. Now this part, let's put the old part here and the new part in. All right. Okay, I'm gonna clean a little bit the floater. Okay, maybe a little bit the inside. Alright, and I'm gonna wait to clean the needle a little bit, the Ziegler. Before I put it back in. So, what I need is a large flat screwdriver. There is one. Okay, don't apply too much pressure on it. There you go. I have blown this carburetor before with air from the compressor, so I'm not worried too much. Okay, and just a little tension. That's it. Just not even a quarter of a ton. I'd say like 1/16 or something, or 1/8. Okay, and this part we just drop it back in the floater. Okay, good, good. And I'm gonna put the pin. Okay, no, it's right, okay, hold on. Okay, this goes only one way. Got it? Okay, it's in. Alright, looks like this time is in. And one more thing is, I want to make sure it works. Upside down. Yep, it goes in and out. Same like the old one. In and out. Make sure you do this final inspection. Okay? I'm gonna leave it upside down again. And I can put this back. There is nothing else in here. Alright, so this goes here. I'm gonna use a little bit more speed so it slides through a little bit easier. See here, we got this one in. See here one more time. Yep, all good. Okay, this one in. This one is in. And okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I want to make sure. Let me grab my flashlight. Make sure the gasket is flat. Yep. It's good here. Okay, looks good. Okay, it looks nice and flat. All right. Okay, there's another grommet here, the 46. That goes on the side. Okay, I'm going to put a couple of screws here. And let's open that. Looks like this is the 46. Yep, that's the 46 from the manual. I gotta figure out which one is which, so hopefully it will come off easy. No. Let me show you. See that? And definitely this one needs to be replaced. It has also some dirt. I think it's this one over here, but I'm not sure. Let me remove this and I come back. Alright, this is what I would recommend. These little scissors here, very sharp, and that's the only way to remove these grommets. Either ways you're gonna cut them. There you go. Okay, and it's off. Let's see now. Okay, there should be 5. So what I'm gonna do is, let's first compare them. All right. Well, I don't need to use the micrometer. I think this is the one right here. The other ones are too thick and too different. So this is the one right here. Let's put the old one here. Okay. This is what we got. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this part again. This little screw or something with gasoline, and I'll be back. All right, it's nice and clean. Let me see if there's anything in there. Okay. Alright, so let's use some spit. Try to put this on. I'm going to do it from the top. That's how I remove the other one. And it's in place. And let's put it back. Okay. Okay, again, don't tension too much this part, they are aluminum. So I'm going to give it like a 16, and that's it. Okay, let's find the other ones. We have 4 more to go. Okay, so it looks like 45. It's in here. So I'm going to open again this one. I haven't done this before, so you know, it's the first time I'm replacing these parts in this carburetor. So I kind of like always, you know, also try to figure out where these O-rings go. Again, this is spring loaded. Sorry about that. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Go nice and easy on that. There is nothing in here. There's nothing in here. What is shows on the position of the 45? Right here. So it's missing. Now which one is 45? Let me see here, it must be one of these two. These are the same. Let me see. Yeah, these are the same. It's gotta be, there you go. There you go. That's 45. This one is a little bit, oh, that is a small one. There's another one here. Oh boy. Okay, so this is definitely not. There's a very small one here. So that's 45. Okay. Who say it was easy? No, it's not easy. It takes time. You gotta have plenty of time to do that. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit. Like, I'm gonna go 116, 116, and 116. A little bit more on this one. That's it. Okay, so we figured out one. Let's look the manual again. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Just put a little bit of tension on the opposite way. It's time, because I don't see anything else to replace in there. Just use that the X. Go from here to the other side. Don't over tension. This is aluminum. Okay, this one is good. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're getting there. The problem is I can't find the other 4 on the manual. This is the carburetor right here. See that? So we have replaced the 45, the 46, the 17. Okay, the 17 was this one, and the 16. The 16. Let's see, what is the 16? 16 right here. We have done that. Okay, so I have another 4 here. So one of these is the 16 because it was round. So we have 3. Okay, this is out. So we have 3 more. Maybe these are spare because I don't see O-rings here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 O-rings. We have done that. And you know, there's nothing else. Let me try to figure out. And I come back. Okay, so these are for the manifold. Okay, and this one. So I have to remove the manifold. And this is for the carburetor, the flange, and the needle. Now I gotta figure out where is this 3 goes. The 4 I know, and nothing here. All right, I'll be back.